Hi, Keiran Popplewell, farming in the Central West region of Western Australia. Family owned farm, 8,500 hectares with 7,000 hectares of crop, 8,000 sheep, growing canola, wheat, hay, field peas and lupins. We've got a fair array of weeds here that cause a bit of grief. Cape weed is a big one. Ryegrass and radish are probably our hardest to control though. The paddock the Mateno Complete was used in this year was coming off wheat in 2019, which had a fairly bad blowout. The TT canola last year didn't pull it into line, so we thought we need to up the ante on it this year, and it was sown with a knockdown, the devil wheat, in early May. I was supplied a 20 litre pack of Mateno Complete, and I just mix it as I do any other spray tank and put in the granny pot of the sprayer. The rate of Mateno Complete was 1 litre and water rate of 100. The Mateno Complete was sprayed with a Rogator sprayer with the individual nozzle control, 25cm spacings, running 80 and 100 mesh filters. Everything sprayed out fairly well. There was no blockages in the filters and no issues. The season conditions to date at the point of Mateno Complete application were ideal. Crops were very soft. We saw some small crop effect of a reduction in biomass by a couple of centimetres a month following application. The crop grew away from that, and now there is nothing visually to be seen. The Mateno Complete controlled the ryegrass very well. I was very impressed with how it pulled it down, and the residual control was very impressive. It held the ryegrass back until crop shading took over. Mateno Complete has probably been overall the best result of weed control in a cereal crop that I have seen in a problem paddock. I see Mateno Complete as a really good option for problem paddocks and playing the season a bit more. If you find out that you do have a really bad patch of ryegrass or weeds in a paddock, that you can hit it with Mateno Complete. Allows a bit more versatility. You could have it penciled in. It's nice to know that you can get very effective control, more effective than anything else on the market. Post-emergent for ryegrass, that's probably a big game changer. I'll use Mateno Complete strategically in places where we have really bad weeds that can't be managed in other ways. We grow quite a bit of hay, so that is our first port of call for ryegrass, as it's less chemical use, cheaper. It was great to see Mateno Complete perform well in 2020 as well as 21 in the small plot trial. It's nice to know you've got a level of control in two different situations. I see it as a tool in the toolbox, which we'll use more and more in the future as weeds become more challenging and we lose other control options.